Hello guys and good day to all. Happy Friday and happy weekend. Welcome to our vlog. Ayan, it's Balmaceda family vlog again. Yan. Thank you for sa mga sumusuporta lagi sa aming premiere Monday and Thursday. Monday 5:15 p.m. Pinas time and Thursday 10 p.m. Pinas time. Ayan. So, huwag niyo pong kalimutan yung aming schedule and thank you sa panonood. Ngayon marami tayong collab. Meron tayong isa sa optical and isang restaurant. Ginagaya pala niya ako, hindi ko nakikita. Kakainis. So, yun. Doon tayo papunta ngayon hapon. Tapos diretso na tayo. Tapos, another collaboration bukas ulit. Pero, hahati-hatian natin tong vlog na to. So, ayan. Hope you like this one. And support po yung mga kino-collab namin at pinopromote namin. Ayan. Kasi part sila ng ating mga magiging charity event this coming Christmas. So, malapit na yan. Ayan. So, excited ako at the same time kinakabahan kasi hindi pa 100% yung ating sa December. Pero alam ko mabubuo natin. Mabubuo natin yan. Huwag kang ganyan. Seryoso nga ako. O yan. Sige guys. Thank you very much. Ayan. Kita-kits sa aming collab. Kapatid natin yung dalawa. Magde-date sila sa museo. Anong museum niya? Qatar National Museum. Tapos after nito proceed na tayo dun sa ating collab. Ayan, see you all guys. Guys, we're here na dito sa ID Optical Montasa. This is for our YouTube channel sa aming vlog. So, eto siya guys. You have lots of choices for your sunglasses, eyeglasses, and mamaya we're going to interview the manager or the owner. So, at least we'll have idea how much is their products. Ayan. So, welcome. Marami sila dito guys. They have Calvin Klein, Lacoste, Ray-Ban, Police, Oakley. Parang every brand nandito po. Tom Ford, yan. Everything is here. For only, that's a price, is $99 only.
It's for computer, I think.
For computer.
Yes.
Alright. 99. Glasses na.
Dito lang. Bahay ng neighbor.
Look at the place, guys. It's very nice. This is for our vlog.
Mas mahal din magkano tayo namin ha?
Yung mga ina-offer nila starting from 100 from 99 sunglass. So, meron din silang mga 149 for their eyeglasses. Okay.
Open with Mumbai Bonus.
This one for kids.
Frame plus lens, frame plus transition lenses, 199 QR, and also single option. Okay, it's not progressive. And our own brand computer anti-radiation glasses, 99 QR only.
Okay.
We have our own brand. If you buy it, you have changes.
Yes.
It's computer glasses. No?
This is one.
You can just mention the word like for basketball.
This one is
Yeah.
for basketball, guys.
All branded
If you are
sunglasses,
in the sports, you can use this one.
get flat.
And this is how much, brother?
It's 150.
Like that.
150 without the lens yet.
Selective brands, right?
Without the lens yet.
All brands.
See, we have branded
Okay.
sunglasses.
At least you have idea how much is the frame
That's how I know
itself.
there is no branded.
Okay.
They don't have-
But that includes...
Ito guys, napaka-swerte natin kasi nakilala natin ng ID Optics. Ayan. So, sobrang cheap ng kanilang mga items and yung kanilang lens. Ayan. So, didiscuss natin yan. Here, I will tell you. Yan, dito sa ating vlog sa YouTube channel. Frame plus lens, 149 Qatari riyals. Single vision lens with anti-radiation. Ayan. Yan. Frame and progressive lens is 299 Qatari riyals. For only 299 ha, imagine niyo. 299 lang. Sa ibang optic, depends yan upon your grade pa. Yan. Tapos, ayan. Frame and transition lens, 199 partner. Yan. O, diba? Meron silang own brand of
199.
computer
99
anti-radiation
radiation, glaze.
glaze. 99 lang.
At meron pa silang clip-on.
Yan yung
For
clip.
only 550 Qatari riyal.
Yan. Dito
Armani
yan sa
pa,
ating
oh.
vlog sa YouTube.
Pwede mo pa iba-iba ng kulay. Ayan, see? Pwede mo lang.
Diba?
Pwede may
Parang
kulay.
yun yung trip niya. Ni mahal, 550. Ayan. Tapos all brand na sunglasses are 50% off. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Pwede na kayong sumugod dito from all day for the whole week. Yan. They are open and up to 9 a.m. until 10 in the evening. So, katabing-katabi lang talaga siya ng Kabalin, guys. Yung pinopromote din nating restaurant na Kabalin, ayan, katabi lang nila, opposite of Montasa Park.
And
Tsaka ng
Doha Stop and Shop.
Doha Stop and Shop. Ayun lang siya, guys. Ayun lang. Tabing-tabi lang. Malapit sa bahay nila, Doc Greg to. Kembot lang. So, punta na kayo and visit the place. Guys, nalibre na tayo ng salamin. So, thank you ID Optics. So, meron na tayong palitan ito. Thank you very much. Ayan. It's a big help for me. Ayan. So, sinukatan tayo kanina. Please support ID Optics ha. Dito yan sa Montasa and meron sila sa Old Airport. So, itong vlog namin is more on promote natin ng ID Optics. Ayan. Katabi ng Kabalin, opposite ng Montasa Park. Thank you, ID Optics! Ito. Bagay din sa akin.
Oo, partner.
Ha?
Bagay sa iyo, kinda.
Kinda. Diba? Pero pinili ko na kasi yung eyeglasses. So, I'm good with that. This one. For testing. For the vlog. Wow. That one is? This one is CK. Oh. Look. Aura. Nice. That's all 50%, right? This one, all the branded one. Prada, Chanel, Tom Ford, CK. Say hi to our vlog. Hi. Next destination is food vlog. Okay? See ya.
Ang in-expect niyang inasal na maitin naman. Ang version naman namin, hindi na lang yung inato.
Kaya dapat,
May question niya yun. Question niya kasi hindi niya alam
Iba.
Sa inasal talaga na-expect niya kagaya sa mga inasal.
Oh.
Sa Thursday po. Schedule sa Thursday.
Of course. Well, syempre, iba to eh.
Pwede ko na po kayo schedule ng Thursday.
Yes, pwede na po.
Pagawa ko na yung
Naka-record, ma'am, kasama sa vlog ko. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay bang apat sila? Kasama ko na lang misis ko. Yan, apat sila. Pasama mo na lang si misis.
Apat kami. Sige. Si
Mari,
Mrs.
bablog
na
ka na lang.
mag-vlog.
Hindi yun. Picture na lang kayo. Tapos bigyan nyo na lang.
Hindi, magkaganon din siya para meron siyang copy.
Ako, nangayain mo.
Hindi na din siya magpapakita.
Mag-ano lang.
Pero
Tapos
nakasama
na
na
aftermath.
Mag-video-video.
Hindi na kahit ako, hindi na ako magmasamasahe. Hindi naman maganda masahe.
Bitter.
Kailan ka magmamasahe?
Kayo na lang.
Kailan ka magmamasahe, partner?
Ewan ko, ano bang schedule?
Kayo, kailan niya ba gusto?
Kailan mo ba gusto? Lusail yun.
Ang labo tayo naman.
Ayan. Thank you guys, Manyamang Kenny. Samantasa po, visit. Thank you sa masarap na food. Ma'am Melody, thank you very much.
Join na po. Kita Kids.
Kita kits dito. Manyamang Kenny, Montasa. Daddy, say thank you.
Hi, thank you sa Manyaman Kenny.
Yes, and ayan, good evening na guys. Tapos na tayo sa mga collab natin for today's vlog. Ang ID Optical. Ayan, thank you very much for the opportunity na ma-vlog namin kayo. Ayan, shout out to all the staff and to bossing, to the boss. And kay Miss Melody and Sir Hill of
Manyaman Kenny.
Ayan, Manyamang Kenny. Ayan, bagong-bago sa Montasa. Kaka-open lang nila. So, binisita natin at in-invite ang Balmacedo family and friends, Team BFF. Kaya naman, nandun kami ni Doc Greg. Medyo nag-live tayo ng konti. Pero this vlog is all about the collab for this week. This Friday. So, thank you very much. Hope you like this one. Yan yung lagi sinasabi ng Balmacedo family. Stay safe, be good, and be happy. God bless. Bye.
Bye.